Hi everyone, this is Prathamesh from the Intermediate Cuisine Group, and today I'm going to make a watermelon carving as shown by Trixie. The ingredients required for this carving are watermelon and some kiwi. The equipments required for the same are a chopping board, a chef's knife, a small knife, a scooper, tong, 2 bowls for scooping out the watermelon and kiwi, and a pair of gloves. We have to use a pair of gloves because we will be working on a ready to eat food stuff. First, after marking it on the hemispheres, remove one wedge out of the side of the watermelon. Demarcate from the hemisphere or the shark mouth around 1 inch, and this is where we'll be carving our shark teeth. Just remove the green part. Now make a zigzag pattern on these edge to make teeth. And remove this on the same other side. Now scoop out the flesh of the watermelon, keeping the teeth intact. Scoop it out completely from inside. After scooping out the flesh from the insides of the watermelon, take the wedge of the watermelon which we had cut before and just cut off the flesh. After removing the flesh of the watermelon, use this wedge to make the 3 fins of the shark. After shaping into fins, take the scooped out watermelon and give a cut at the back to place the teeth. After cutting out the 3 rectangles at the back, insert your previously cut fins into them so that it looks like this on the front. Now cut the kiwi in half and scoop out the flesh. Follow this procedure for all the kiwis. After scooping out the kiwi, take back your scooped watermelon again and use a tong to fill back the flesh what we had removed before. After putting the watermelon, put the kiwi into it like this. Put back the fins into your shark, so it would look like this. After filling back the watermelon with the kiwi flesh and the watermelon flesh, take a round paper and cut it in the shape of an eye and stick it to the watermelon. And this is how a shark bowl out of a watermelon is made. And now about the 3 questions what Trixie has asked to me. First one was the importance of mise à plat during the work. Mise à plat is very important before the work is started because it tells us what the work is, and even if we miss out something in the final part before starting the work, but just by looking at the mise à plat we can tell it, yeah, we are missing out something, we should not start the work. So second is, what was the difficult part of this carving? The difficult part of this carving, what I found was finding a huge watermelon over here in India, because in India we don't have that huge watermelon, and carving it into a shark, it was a difficult part. And the third question was, how did you find this coaching to help me to learn? Yeah, it was fun carving the watermelon, and it did help me how to cut the watermelon into different shapes like a watermelon shark bowl.